of digitalization in India.
Sure.
And I'll take the lead from there. See, in India, nobody taught everyone as how mobile phone is to be used. And we had innovative case studies of missed call. You know, there is a use case of missed call also, which India innovated out of that, mobile phone which was there. Nobody taught anyone how ATM is to be used. People learned on their own. So one of the key things of improving digital literacy is to make technology available. And available to the masses at every nook and corner of the country. And that is the most important thing by which these 44 containers were also installed. Okay, can we make the technology available to the last mile? And if you look at the governance problems of today, that can be solved through technology by making technology available. If you look at education, which is from the perspective of low number of teachers, quality of education, that can only be done through technology by, moving the digital classrooms, etc., to the masses. So it's a question of how do I make technology available, and that is where the public-private partnerships come in. That, can I do something today to prove the concept which can then be replicated across? Nobody is going to invest so that, you are proving the concept. Again, coming back to those 44 containers, yes, the technology or the concept is proved. Now the government is trying to adopt it on a commercial basis across the country. So what we have to do in a public-private partnership is to fund these innovative concepts so that they can be replicated and innovated and taken across to the masses where the demand is generated and the technology is made available, and automatically the digital literacy would improve. Nobody taught us how to use Twitter, yeah? Everybody started using it because it was available. Nobody taught how to use Google. It started on their own. Similarly, as in the case of mobile phone and the ATMs which we discussed. So it's a question of improving infrastructure down to the last mile, making technology available for them, and letting the people use it, discover it, learn it by experimentation. That's the key which comes across.
Okay, probably taking the cue from there itself and looking at, yes, so we have spoken about the main thing, which is connectivity. Can we also